This is how to use the Pediatric test screen on the touch keyboard. On the touch screen, you have an area dedicated as a tone switch. Above the tone switch, you have buttons to reward the patient when they respond. In the bottom part of the screen, you have a table showing the different audiogram points. You can select frequencies on the frequency selector. You can enable and disable conditioning when running VRA. If you are using the VRA Pure solution, you can select the previous video by clicking this icon. In the top left-hand side of the screen, you have information about Channel 1. You can change the intensity, and you have information about the ear side, the transducer, and the stimuli. These can be selected in the drop-down menu. In the top right side of the screen, you have information about Channel 2. To enable Channel 2, increase the intensity by turning the rotary dial. To turn off Channel 2, decrease the intensity. Different options for Channel 2 can be selected in the drop-down. In the center, you have your frequency. In the drop-down, you can select different wave files. And different VRA playlists for the VRA Pure solution. You are now familiar with the Pediatric screen on the touch keyboard. Thank you for watching.